Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and fine at your home. Today we will read a beautiful poem called Don't Be Afraid of the Dark by Ruskin Bond. This poem is given in class 4 English book Marigold. In this video we will see question answers and NCERT complete exercise. So let's get started. Question number 1 is, what is the poem about? Answer is, the poem is about the fear of darkness and how to overcome that fear. Question number 2 is, what happens when the day is over? Answer is, when the day is over, the moon and the stars shine in the night. Question number 3 is, what does the earth do when the day is over? Answer is, the earth rests when the day is over. Question number 4 is, what does the poet want us to do at night? Answer is, the poet wants us to be friends with the night and think about good things. Now it's fifth question. Are these sentences true or false? The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. It's false. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. That's true. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. It's true. Word building exercise. There are few words given. We have to join these words to make them into one. Moon plus light is moonlight. Break plus fast is breakfast. Good plus night is good night. Day plus break is daybreak. Water plus fall is waterfall. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Next question is, find a word in the poem which is opposite of. Here are some words we have to give opposites of these words. First word is war. Its opposite is peace. Next word is enemies. Its opposite is friend. Next word is gentle. Its opposite is harsh. Next word is light. Its opposite is dark. Next word is night. Its opposite is day. And the last word is start. Its opposite is cease. Next question is, look at these words in the poem. Don't, won't. Here are their full forms. Don't is do not. Won't is will not. In the same way, we have to write their full forms. Didn't. It did not. Shouldn't. It should not. Wouldn't. It would not. Couldn't. It could not. Mustn't. It must not. Now let's talk. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? Friends, these are open-ended questions. You can write answer of your choice. Reference answer of this question can be, yes, I am afraid of darkness because I cannot see anything in the darkness. Second question is, what do you do when it is dark? Friends, everyone can have different experience to overcome darkness. So the answer of this question can be, when it is dark, I read moral stories and think about positive things. Third question is, have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. This is an open-ended question too, so all of you can have different experience. The answer of this question can be yes. Once I got really frightened because in the middle of the night I heard a sudden sound. But I diverted my mind and thought about positive things. Say aloud. Question number 1 is, what is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's and means to playfully make fun of? The answer is tease. Next question is, what is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear and means easy to see, hear and understand? Think about it. The answer is clear. Now it's team time. Question is, what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? Discuss with the group and write your ideas in your notebook. Now the question may invite various thoughts. You may write answer of your choice. Reference answer of this question can be, there will be complete darkness if there is no sunlight. We would not be able to see without sunlight. Climate will become cold and there won't be any food for us. Now let's write. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with similar sounding words. Friends, similar sounding words are homophones. Homo means same and phones means sound. So let's do this exercise. TOO2 sounds similar with TWO2. ONE1 sounds similar with WON, won. DEER, deer, sounds similar with DEAR, dear. SON, sun, sounds similar with SUN, sun. Next question is, now complete the following sentences choosing the right word. Now here two homophones given and we have to choose the right one. The sum was dash difficult for the class to solve. Only dash students could do it. So the answer will be, the sum was TOO, too difficult for the class to solve. Only TWO, 2 students could do it. Next one is, there was only dash boy who dashed the prize. Correct answer is, there was only one boy who WON won the prize. The golden dash was very dash to him. The answer will be, the golden DEER, dear, was very TEAR, dear to him. Next one is, Ramu's dash loved to play in the dash. So the correct answer will be, Ramu's SON, son, loved to play in the SUN, sun. That's all for today's video, friend. Now let's read a short poem, Don't Give Up. If you keep on going and never stop, you can keep on going. You can make it to the top. Life is full of mountains. Some are big and some are small. But if you don't give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going. Try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to the top. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about new videos. Thank you.